Hello everyone, welcome to 2024 riding season, and as you know from my display picture, here I have the new beast, 2024 Ducati Diavel V4. That's what I'll be riding for this year and probably for the years ahead. But this is the new bike you'll see me motovlogging, probably writing reviews about it, and probably adding some accessories. So it's a beautiful bike. I had one in 2010 when it came out first, or 11 I believe. Then I had in 2012 as well, and I decided to go back again and go on it. Always loved the Ducati Diavel. Well, this time it's a V4, beast of an engine, 1158 cc, 168 horsepower. It's just mind-blowing and beautiful. But let's go ahead, test it out to see if it really proves to be on the number and with that horsepower and all that Diavel everyone talks about. Excuse the wind noise and the intro video earlier. It's April here in Toronto and it's still pretty cold. And we had a bit of a snow slush kind of weather the last few days as well. So winter hasn't really left us, even though we had a mild winter. Let's start it. It's all a keyless entry, so no key there. And all you need to do is push this button here. Has like an ignition sign or a electric sign. You can probably hear the roaring. I rev the engine and let's start the ride. Alrighty, let's go. Beautiful day to be out and riding. I said I can't wait for the weather to get better. So you dress according to the weather when it's a nice sunny day. Even though it's cold, about 16 degrees today. But a nice beautiful day to ride. A lot of torque. 168 horsepower. And the torquey engine. The V4 Gran Turismo. All that combined gives you a lot of fun. I'm still taking it easy right now since I'm under 1,000 kilometer mark for my first service. So taking it easy, under 7,000 RPM, but the bike has a lot to offer below that 7,000 RPM range as well. The fellow biker passing me. Feels like I'm back on the old days when I used to ride Diavel and other sports bikes. Good to be back. Wow, a lot of torque. Let's head towards the escarpment and ride on some beautiful twisties and mountains and see how it goes. Alrighty, car there. We're back on our one of my favorite roads, Millboro Lane, and I thought the best way to review is riding on a nice peaceful road with some twisties and bare branches around, as it's still cold. One of the first things when you start riding a Diavel or per se, any Ducati, you'll notice is the engine itself is speed junkie. It wants you to rev, it wants you to accelerate. So you can't be on a high gear and low speed. You get the feeling of as if it's knocking. It won't respond the same way. So it's definitely, like I said, it wants you to rev, it wants you to speed up, it wants you to do a lot more things, and that's where the fun is. Let's say if I am on a sixth gear with speed of 50 kilometers per hour, oh, it won't be fun. I feel the bike is knocking, it's not performing the same way, and that's how all the Diavels have been. Like I had 2 Diavels before, and I feel that's the character of the Ducatis. So just FYI, in case anyone's thinking, and a lot of people complain online on the forum, oh, is it like this? Is that how it's supposed to be? Well, that's the character of the Italian bike. So it's a beautiful bike. Otherwise, no windshield for now. I do have one. We'll be placing it on. Wait for that video to come as well. So as you can see, I'm on the 6th gear now, and speed is 63. This is what I wanted to show you. It gives me the feeling of knocking. It's like, you're not in the right gear, you're not on the right speed. So if I lower my speed, yeah, now it wakes up. Now it wakes up. It wants me to pull the throttle, and yeah, the devil wakes up. The devil in the bike wakes up, and it's like, push, push, pull the throttle. I want speed. That's what the bike likes. That's what the character of the bike is, and that's what you will enjoy when riding the Diavel. They've done a lot of changes since I rode the last one. From a V2 to V4, the engine has changed. Mirrors are pretty much what it was. Not the best mirrors out there. So that's something on the list as well to change. The front and the brake lights are beautiful. Definitely, you know, an eye rolling, or people stop to see the bike whenever you park. A lot of questions, a lot of people want to know what I love about the bike, and they have been thinking about it. So you do get a lot of attention riding a Ducati, and more so the Diavel V4. The color is beautiful. Red is my favorite color. If you have not made out till now from my past videos, I can go ride all day, every day. It's a little bit cold. No heated grips by default on the bike. That's an add-on accessory. I'm still not sure if I will be going that route or not. I don't really ride in that much of a cold weather, so getting the heated grips is more of an option. I don't know. I might end up if I see myself riding in more cold weather. But for shorter trips of 70 to 100 miles or 150 kilometers, I don't think I need heated grips for now. For as long as I have good gloves, I should be good. But loving it. The bike is nimble, fast. In traffic you don't need to worry about. And it's a devil. It's a devil in this Diavel that wakes up. So if you have been looking or thinking about buying one, I would say go for it. Negatives, I have none in mind. I've seen any for now. No issues with bike having about 400 kilometers on it. That's about 280 miles, I would say. But a beautiful bike. Stay tuned for more videos to come, and hopefully, you know, we can enjoy the 2024 riding season with a bang. Alrighty, on the stop sign, let's go right. Camper Wheel Road. We're riding in Milton and the escarpment. The quick shifters on these are a life changer. I just love the quick shifter on this, both up and down. Very smooth feeling. I don't even need to press the clutch. So look, my hands are off. It's in 5th gear right now, speed steady. All I need to do is push the gear lever from up, down to up, and the gear changes, goes to 6. That's how smooth it is. But a speed junkie and wants you to rev in that high gear, wants you to go fast. If I keep it low, not happy about it, and I'm not happy when it's making me shiver. Because that's the feeling you get with the knocking kind of feeling if you are on a low speed high gear. Oh, I'm loving it. I love the new Acura exhaust as well, but that's freaking $8,000. $8,000 for an exhaust. I'm still debating if I want that exhaust or no. I love that exhaust, would love to get the Acura upgrade on this. And the sound changes, the look changes. Oh my god, if you haven't seen it, Google it. Google the Diavel V4 Acura exhaust and you will know what I'm talking about. Go watch some YouTube videos with the exhaust sound. Oh my god, woo, mind blowing. So it's still on my mind, and I would still love to get it. Just waiting to see if when I want to spend the $8,000 plus tax. So it's about God, I think it comes up to $9,000. When I want to spend the $9,000 on the exhaust upgrade. Anyways, I hope you all enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for more. The Diavel is a beast. If you're thinking about it, I would say go for it. Go for it. Do not think twice. You'll just love it every day riding it. Till next time, ride safe, take care, and I'll see you in the next one.